Here we have another sum from CBSE, sum number 6. A 1.5 tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. So let us draw the figure for this much. You have 1.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. Okay, so here we have a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. So here is the top of the boy, head of the boy. Okay, so naturally the eyes will be here. From here, he is watching the top of the building from 30 to 60 degrees as he walks towards the building. Okay, he says the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building. This is the top of the building. Suppose AB we consider the boy and CD as the building. So CD is the top of the building. A is the point at from which the boy is looking at the top of this building. Okay, it increases the angle of elevation is saying. So naturally we need the horizontal line. From this horizontal line, the angle of elevation is how much? It is 30 degree first. So this is your angle of elevation, 30 degree. Now what happens? This boy, he moves from this place to another place and again looks at the top of the building such that the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. So here we have the next position given by EF. This is the boy's position now such that the angle of elevation is 60 degree. He is asking you to find the distance he walked towards the building. The distance, this distance you have to find out. EA, which he walked towards the building. Okay, so here we have, we write in short what is given to us. AB is equal to 1.5 meter. CD is equal to 3 meter. Okay. Angle of elevation, that is angle, here we take a point, say P. So angle PAC is equal to 30 degree. Second angle of elevation, that is angle PEC is equal to 60 degree. What do we have to find out? We have to find out distance. Distance EA. Okay. So we have two right triangles CPA. And this another right triangle CPE. For that purpose, now if you have a look at this figure, PDABA, it is a rectangle. And if it is a rectangle, then this length is 1.5 PD. So naturally CP will be 30 minus 1.5. So let us begin with the solution. Quadrilateral PDBA is a rectangle. Therefore, AB is equal to PD is equal to 1.5 meter. Now, CD is equal to CP plus PD. Since C dash, P dash, D. CD is 30. CP you have to find out. PD is 1.5 by property of a rectangle. Okay. So 30 minus 1.5 is your CP. So that will give you 5. That is 28.5 meter will be your CP. Okay. Now we consider the two triangles, triangle CPA and triangle CPE. So now in right triangle CPA, you have the opposite side. Okay, what do we have to find out? We have to find out this length. So opposite upon adjacent. Look here, for this angle 30 we have length CP. Length CP is, this length CP is 28.5 meter. So we have this opposite side, we need the adjacent side. Are you getting that? So which ratio we are going to go for? 10 ratio, opposite upon adjacent. So in right triangle CPA, angle CAP is equal to 30 degree. Okay, so therefore tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. Opposite you are taking CP and adjacent is PA. We are taking the bigger triangle CPA. Opposite is CP and adjacent will be PA. So 1 by root 3 will be equal to CP is 28.5. Here, see, we have found out 28.5 upon PA. So PA is equal to 28.5 into root 3 meter. Now come to the second triangle. Which is a second triangle? A second triangle is this one, the smaller one, CPE. So now in right triangle CPE, angle CEP is 60. Therefore tan 60, again we will have to go for the 10 ratio. Tan 60 will be equal to CP upon PE. Tan 60 means root 3. CP is again 28.5 upon PE. So your PE will be equal to 28.5 upon root 3. Rationalize the denominator. PE will be equal to 28.5 into root 3 upon 3. Okay. So that will be 9, 3 9s are 27 and 3 5s are 15. So PE will be equal to 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15 meter. Okay. Now we have length PE, we have length PA, we need to find EA. So how do we write it? Now PA is equal to PE plus EA. PA is how much? 28.5 into root 3. PE is 9.5 root 3. EA you have to find out. So 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3 is your EA. Let us take out root 3 common first. So 28.5 minus 9.5 into root 3 is your EA. Fine. So 28.5 minus 9.5. This gives you 0. You carry 1. 18 minus 9 is 9. That is 19 root 3 meter is the distance you moved from point A to point E. Now if you want to substitute the value of root 3, you can substitute the value of root 3 and get the answer. Okay.